FKF Hussein Mohamed kawuono noromo gi jokombe mag klepe mopogore opogore ma pacho kae e okang' mar sumruok paro ewi kaka inyalo bero lig ma pacho kae. Mohamed mowacho bang' romo ne ni gisechugo kamati mar ji 7 mabiro pedho e lela yore minyalo ti godo e bero adhula. Romo ma kamano noyuore gi jokombe mag klepe mantiere lig mamalo kod mano mar NSL.
Very excited for the upcoming season. Of course, there are matters that we cannot discuss, especially those matters that are still in court. But we're very excited for the upcoming season, and the meeting was very productive. I can't go into specifics because it's not in my position to talk about exactly what we discussed, but we're very hopeful. Yeah, and hopefully we'll be having such meetings regularly to avoid any, space where now there becomes a misunderstanding or something.
Well, we have very good deliberations today with the Sportpesa League teams, and I think within a short period of time we'll have a good framework. It's a consultative meeting to discuss how we can professionalize the league and make it even better in terms of its governance structures. And we have today formed a transition team, 7-member transition team that will give us some recommendations on how we can achieve our objectives. The team is meeting for the first time next week, and they will give us the details and the milestones and the pathway to achieving the objective.